colleague of mine who does a lot of recruitment for thought leadership professionals, Sarah Noble. Do you know Sarah Noble? She has recruited hundreds of people for thought leadership content jobs. I asked her to give a presentation 3 years ago at our thought leadership conference. I asked her to think about the people who had the biggest impact in the firms that they worked for, consulting firms, prestigious academic journals, et cetera. What were their backgrounds? And it turned out 56% of them came from business journalism, and something like 9% came from other journalism fields, but not business. And the rest were, so 2/3 were from journalism, and most of that 2/3 was business journalism. And so it seems to me that business journalism is a very good background for careers in thought leadership.
Well, it really helps you for idea generation. You learn in journalism to identify your audience, right? If you're working at the New York Times, that's one kind of audience. If you're working at the Wall Street Journal, it's a different kind of audience. So you learn to identify the audience. At Korn Ferry, it's kind of, business clients, corporate leaders. And so you identify who that is and what they're interested in, and then how to tell the story the best. And business journalists have that knack for doing that.